Apparently, South Korea is now offering an advanced crash course in criminal law taught by K-pop idols. It's educational. It's tragic. It's also, let's be honest, impossible to look away from. Let's start with this. Former NCT member Taeil, real name Moon Taeil, has officially entered the fall from grace portion of his idol journey. On June 18th, the Seoul Central District Court held the first trial for Taeil and two other men accused of special aggravated rape under South Korea's sexual violence law. And Taeil? Oh no, he's a Korean idol. How could he never? No, he's innocent. But what? He admitted to all charges? Every single one? How did he get there? And now the prosecutor is asking for 7 years in prison. So what is this case is actually about? According to the indictment at 2:33 a.m., because crime loves a late night slot, the three defendants met the victim by chance at a bar in Itaewon. Itaewon. They drank a lot. Then they dragged her into a taxi and took her to Taeil's apartment in Bangbae-dong. And between 4 a.m. and 4:30 a.m., while she was unconscious from intoxication, they assaulted her together. Yeah, it's not just evil, it's a group project from hell. So why they all confess? Well, it turns out if you don't and the court still convicts you, you're not just looking at 7 years. You could get life in prison. That's right, from K-pop main vocal to main bunkmate for life. Suddenly, confession becomes very trendy, and honestly, that's the point. It's not that harsh sentences prevent crime, but they do prevent dumb denials. If you committed a crime and the minimum is 7 years, you're not rolling the dice on that court being in a forgiving mood. Now, there was another reason for the confessions: to avoid getting arrested during investigation. Back in June 2024, police actually tried to get arrest warrants, but the court rejected them because, you guessed it, they confessed. Pro tip, if you're guilty and famous, get your apology in before the handcuffs. So what's next for Taeil? He's got a date with Destiny and probably a bunk bed on July 10th, 2025, when sentencing takes place. Even with a lenient judge, the minimum sentence is 3 years and 6 months. So yeah, he'll be missing NCT's next comeback and every comeback after that. Possibly until NCT has 49 members and a fortnight sponsorship. And of course, Taeil was kicked out of NCT and SM Entertainment. No surprise there. But what is shocking is that when he was already under investigation for sexual assault, Taeil still went ahead with group activities, album recordings, and even a cheerful Instagram live on his birthday. This man was under police investigation for rape, and he's on IG like, "Thanks for all the birthday wishes, Zennies, I feel so loved." Buddy, you're the one SWAT team away from prison time and you're out here filming cake reels? Meanwhile, in lighter but still ridiculously messy news, the boys have also gone from thrill ride to scandal slide. Member Joo Haknyeon has officially left the group after being spotted getting cozy with none other than former Japanese AV adult video film actress Asuka Kirara. Because when K-pop scandals go international, they really commit. At first, the label said Haknyeon was just taking a temporary break due to personal reasons. Yes, that's corporate speak for he got caught and now we're scrambling. Turns out Haknyeon and Kirara weren't just grabbing coffee. They were spotted hugging, holding hands, whispering sweet nothings, the whole Netflix and public disgrace package. And here's the twist. Kirara retired from adult films in 2020 and is now an influencer. She also went public recently saying she was dating a YouTuber with an intellectual disability. And there were no breakup reports. K-pop rule number 1, if a scandal hits, pull out the tear-stained stationery. Haknyeon also wrote an apology. Yes, handwritten, because keyboards can't handle this much shame, and denied any claims of scandal. So what's the final head count? The boys started with 11. One's in the military, one got just publicly self-cancelled, and they're at 9. At this rate, by Chuseok, they'll be promoting as a duet. So to recap, one idol confessed to a violent felony and is about to serve years in prison. Another was caught on a date with a retired AV star and got booted from his group. And somewhere out there, a trainee is like, maybe I'll just be a dentist. What a night for Korean idols. Stay safe, stay legal, and remember, just because you can sing doesn't mean you're above the law. I'm your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.